In this video, we are going to do noun classification with Spacy. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for noun classification using Spacy. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with this one. Now this use case requires Spacy library to function. So make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Now copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Before proceeding, let's take a look at the code. The import Spacy statement imports the Spacy library into the program, and this part of the code loads the English language model into the program. This part of the code tokenizes the text and apply various NLP process such as part of speech tagging, dependency parsing, named entity recognition, etc. Now let's run the code, and you have classified nouns using Spacy.